Yo YouTube, it's Mr. from Pitta Stuff. I'm coming not right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing because it has been a little bit of time. SJ, over to here because we have got, focus, we've got a orange label to show you. It is a Nike SB Dunk High Pro ISO, clearly. It's Topaz Gold, Chili Red, and they are a UK 11. That makes them a US 12. And the code is CZ2205700. It has been a while. I haven't looked at these. I did take them out of the box because we've left the knife upstairs. But anyway, back to the middle, SJ. So, what have we got? So you all know what this is. I can tell you straight away, they look better in hand than they do in the pictures, definitely. I was like, I'm intrigued by these. And so these are a collab with Color Skates out of Athens. Formed in 2008, I believe. And if you know anything about the history of Athens, no, if you know anything, 2008 was not probably the best time in the world to be setting up a skate shop at the start of the sort of big financial crash way back when. But let's have a look at the left-hand shoe. So what do we think? There's a lot going on in this shoe. There's a lot going on. I can tell you straight away. So the Kebab and Destroys are better in hand. Oh my, they're laced up so tightly, everyone. SJ, can we go to that camera? That camera indeed. Let me undo these laces because these laces represent something. They do. In fact, all of the colors on these, everyone, they all represent something. Now, so it's called the Kebab and Destroy. Color Skates is in Athens. We all know from a street food point of view, what is the most famous export from Greece? It's the kebab. It's the kebab. And this shoe tells the story of the kebab. So what have we got here? We have got a very soft white leather on the toe box. Very, very soft there. This is really quite SB-esque suede. But should I tell you a story? Should I tell you a story, everyone? So we've got the sort of yellowy here. The yellowy here. So the yellow, right, that represents the pitta that your kebab comes in. If we move into the mid panel there, you've got a sort of a greeny, it's like a light green. That represents the lovely salad that they'd put in the kebab. Then on the elephant print here, the brown, that clearly represents that kebab meat sort of rotating around, glistening. And if at 2 a.m. in the morning, that is like manna from heaven. We have the red swoosh, and that's a lovely leather there, red swoosh there, and the red laces. They represent, allegedly, the chopped tomatoes. I'm going to say that the swoosh actually represents, because my local way back when would be chili sauce. And then finally, if we flip SJ back to the toe box, the final thing I'll say about the toe box, it's white. What does it represent? It represents the tzatziki. And you've got a meal in a shoe there. Like, it's the perfect meal in a shoe. It's a meal. It's a meal deal. You can get your meal deal here. Now, let us have a look because we have also got on the inside. Well, first of all, let's have a look at the front. And so you can see just on the tongue there, you can see, I think it says Color Skates. If we flip on the inside, you can see very clearly Kebab and Destroy. Now, you've also got the sea of Color Skates there. And the black, apparently the store is all black inside. And that represents that, and obviously the street. Now, let's have a look at the insole, because there is something on the insole. There is something on the insole. And let's just take the sticker off, everyone. Let's take the sticker off. SJ, while I'm doing this, why don't we flip back to the middle while I am... I wish they'd stick them on the insides and not on the outside. So there you go. Look at that. We're all in. we're all in. Now I'm going to check the other one, everyone. I'm going to check the other one. SJ's waving me. You can see I've not done this for a while because we haven't picked anything up for a little bit. Let's have a look at the other one because the other one is different. We've also got alternate laces. Nice to see as well, not using a lace bag, but like a brown alternate lace. Honestly, I'll stick... SJ's waving me a lot today. I'm like naturally talking over here and she's like, no, go in the middle. I'm going to stick with the red. I really like the red. Now, I'm going to get the other one because the other inner sole, and also, as I was saying, nice to actually not have an Nike SB lace bag. It's, you know, don't need it. Don't need it. Let's get the paper out. Ooh. My God. These are... Oh. I can't do it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a beast. Oh my word. So if we look at these, like it's like zoomed in and you can see there you've got the tomato, fresh tomato, you've got kebab meat, pitta, loads of tzatziki in that. Now I don't know, like if your local kebab shop, your gyro shop, whatever you want to call it, do they do chili sauce on their kebabs? Is that like just like I love the chili sauce that we used to get on our kebabs, and actually the other thing they used to throw on wasn't really tzatziki as such. It was garlic sauce. I loved the garlic sauce on that. And in fact, what you could also get if you really wanted at our local, you could get a kebab like a pitta filled with chips, yeah, big dirty greasy chips, and then they would put chili sauce and kebab and not kebab meat. They would put the chili sauce and the garlic sauce all over it. At 2 o'clock in the morning, that is like the best food in the world. The best food. And of course, we've got here kebab. Look at that. I love the little stitching. I love the little stitching set. And I will tell you as well, everyone, like I'm having a good feel of them. Why don't we go over to that camera over there, SJ? I haven't been over there much today. I'm having a good feel. And I will tell you that toe box feels really lovely and soft. Swoosh is a bit tougher, but again, nice material. Let's just like, there we go. There we go. Don't they look good? Don't they look good? Let's get the other one. Let's get the other one. Oh, yes. Such a lovely shoe. Now, I didn't think it would... I think, everyone, like... I like the storytelling with it. I like that it's for a European skate store. I love that. Need more of that for sure with the orange label things. I think they look better. SJ, to the middle. Now, SJ, I need you to shout loud. Better in hand, yeah?
Better!
Like, pictures just haven't done them justice at all. These... I think the pictures, the materials don't look great, and the colours look, I don't know, whether they've bumped the colour up or the contrast or something. In hand, much, much better. SJ, of course, would have liked a gum sole, but then they would have had to have changed the whole storytelling because the gum sole could have represented the pitta, maybe. What do you think, people? Let us know in the comments below. Did you manage to get these? I know it's really, really difficult to get dunks at the moment. So what do you think? And the other thing I'm finding fascinating, there's definitely a food thing. Food and dunks just go together so well. So well, everyone. Right then, people, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down there. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give us a thumbs down. That's entirely up to you. And we'll probably see you in another video very shortly. Oh, wait. Don't forget to go and click one of those videos over there. It really does help the channel. And I'll see you in another video. Whoop.